This is Christmas Eve, December 24th, 2025. We are inside the old Chessie system, B&O, 6525. We are getting video and pictures. We will be pulling still photos out of this. This floor is rotten. Be careful. If you mess around with these places, these railroad tracks and stuff, be very careful. A lot of homeless, maybe even hobos. I didn't get a part of that a while ago. Look at that, I guess that's a generator. A little armature. So this is a diesel, electric. I guess most all of them were now. Look inside all the wiring, fuses. Let's see if we can see inside one of the other doors. I don't guess we will. Let's run the camera up a bit. We're over here in Athens at the railroad track. Okay, that gate there, door, whatever came off from up there, covers the air filter, it looks like up there, the cooling element, maybe the radiator. And these doors are frozen, rusted shut.